Hey guys, welcome back to my new studio. This is my studio background. So let's get started. Alright, so here I am with a sticky notes. It's a black coffee. Alright, so I think it's pretty very simple and I think it's look amazing. So if you are a beginner and if you are struggling to create a new studio, think about this. It's a huge budget. You need some different brand lights, different things, different wallpaper or external light and something. As you can see, different YouTubers background. Maybe you can buy a single light. In my right hand side you can see the blue color. It's a Ulanzi light. It's cost maybe $30 or $35. You can find on Amazon. It's a sunlight style, and the artificial tree over there. The cost is maybe $10 or $8 something. And I'm using the Boya microphone. It's cost maybe like $7 or $8 using my Android phone. It's not an iPhone. And also you can compare the video quality and all the also the sound quality as well, as because it's very simple and very cost efficient studio, and it's natural. There is no something fancy cameras or gear or as it is. Okay, so my message to all of you, so if you are still thinking to creating a YouTube channel and starting a YouTube channel, okay, and it's your dream. So as my so I have been creating videos last couple of years, but this is my first time I am in front of the camera behind the desk, because I have seen lots of studio and lots of videos, but I think it takes time and practice. So within, if let's say if you have a 1000 USD in your hand and you just want to create this kind of studio, so it's not 100% right and okay that you can create this kind of like the fancy studio within a year 1000, because it's your creativity, it's your practice, and it's the things that move here and there. Because as you can see, the right side light and the left side light on the wall, you can see the wallpaper. It's a different thing, you can organize differently. Maybe you can create amazing more than me. Okay, so that's the thing, it takes time and it's a practice. I hope you understand. Okay guys, so it's August right now. We have lived 5 months, I think. So many of you just searching on YouTube how to create YouTube video, how to create YouTube studio, how to start my YouTube channel, etc., and just making money. The goal is to making money. So before jumping to the point, you have to understand the process and you have to start. That's it. Okay, so if you take it very seriously, slowly and surely, so twice in a week or once you have to just create a YouTube video. That's like this. But last couple of weeks I didn't upload any single videos. So this is my first time in this month I'm just creating the video. Maybe few hours ago I just created a short video using VDI, and then I uploaded. So okay, so that's it. Today's for video. I know my English is very poor because I'm not living UK or USA. Or why you subscribe my YouTube channel? Why you should? Because I'm a small content creator and I will share my experience, real experience. There is no promotion, no brand deals, no companies, no blah blah, no ads. So it's completely from my experience. I will share all of the things that I got experienced and that I face. Okay, like YouTube studio, YouTube analytics, YouTube journey, YouTube gear. So how we can improve, how we can grow my YouTube channel. That's it. So I will share everything. So if you are in this track, so I think this is the perfect time and this is the perfect channel for you. So I know your time is really important as my. So see you in the next video. Have a good day.